everybody, how are you today? I am Miss Nour from English Planet with Nour. Today we're going to talk about the regular plural nouns. If I want to talk about only one singular thing, I have to add a or am before the word. If a word like cat starts with a consonant sound, so we have to add a cat. And if we want to talk about a group of cats, we have to say cats. If I want to talk about only one onion, we don't have the numbers in English, so you have to add a or an. The word onion starts with o sound, and this is the vowel sound, so we have to add an before all the vowel sounds. An onion. If we want to talk about group of onions, you have to add letter S at the end of a word. Onions. An onion, many onions. The word boy starts with a consonant or a vowel sound. B is a consonant sound, so you have to start with a boy. If you want to talk about only one boy, if you see some boys, you have to say boys. Add letter S at the end of the word boy. There are some notes that you have to put them into your consideration. If you find any noun ends with double S, CH, SH, X or O, you have to add ES instead of letter S. Like in these examples, a tomato, tomatoes. A buffalo, buffaloes. A watch, watches. We have to add ES because this word ends with CH. A dish, dishes. This word ends with SH. Add ES. A glass. This word ends with double S. Glasses, add ES. Box, boxes. It ends with letter X and add ES. If you find any word ends with a consonant Y, you have to cancel letter Y and add IES if you want to change it into plural noun. A baby, babies. The nouns end with FE, change it into VES. A knife, knives. We cancelled FE and added VES. Wolf, wolves. If you want to learn about the irregular plural nouns, follow me to the next episode. Bye!